Meaning of headwind.
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 Headwind. The term headwind is commonly used in the context of aviation and refers to the wind blowing directly against an aircraft as it moves forward. This creates resistance, which can make it more difficult for the aircraft to maintain its speed and altitude. Headwinds can also cause delays and increase fuel consumption. Pilots must account for headwinds when planning flights in order to ensure that they have enough fuel to reach their destination. Overall, headwinds are a significant factor to consider when flying and can impact the safety, efficiency, and comfort of air travel.